Hello viewers, what's up? I'm Shamila and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. As we all know, mango season is here and we all creating different mango recipes. So my last video was mango trifle. I hope you all liked it. So today I'm making mango china grass pudding. It tastes really delicious. This will be a great and simple recipe to try for mango season. It has a simple process. So let's see how to make it. Add one small and sweet roughly chopped mango in a blender. Goes in 1/4 cup condensed milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, half cup milk, and now close the lid and blend it nicely. Heat 300 ml water in a pan. Add 1 small pack of agar-agar and now let it dissolve in a slow flame. Till then I'll start the next process. Add 500 ml milk in a pan. Goes in half cup sugar. Mix well until sugar dissolves and bring it to boil. And next pour this agar-agar mixture. Mix well continuously for 1 minute. And to this I'm adding prepared mango shake. Once you add this mango pulp, switch off the flame and then give a nice mix. Keep stirring until milk thickens and turns creamy. And now I'm going to pour this mango china grass pudding in a serving dish. Cool the mango pudding to room temperature and then refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. Garnish with some pistachios, almonds and chopped mangoes on it. Now slice it and enjoy this no-bake dessert. This is an easy dessert recipe. You can easily make it in advance and chill. Creamy, luscious, no-bake dessert, perfect for summer since the king of fruits is also in season. You can use any variety of mango. So guys, try these out and let me know how it turned out for you. Follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.